Far too many people these days struggle with running out of storage without even realizing it. Whether it's your PC slowing down because the hard drive is full, your PlayStation forcing you to delete your favorite games, or your Mac constantly warning you about low disk space, storage limits quietly drain your time, your productivity, and your digital freedom. Most people wait until the very last moment, until the system freezes, until files become scattered everywhere, until something important gets deleted by accident. But the truth is, upgrading your external hard drive doesn't just give you more space, it upgrades your entire digital experience. The best drives today don't just store your data, they protect it. They speed up your workflow, they preserve your memories, and they give you peace of mind you didn't even know you were missing. And don't forget, use our links in the description because they'll direct you to the latest deals and discounts for every product we're about to talk about. Now let's dive into the best options available on Amazon right now. We'll get this started with a compact option that almost everyone can afford. The Seagate portable 2TB external hard drive. This small and lightweight drive may look simple, but simplicity is what makes it powerful. It's one of those devices that just works the moment you plug it in. No long setup, no confusing software, just instant expansion with USB 3.0 for PC, Mac, PlayStation, and Xbox. Whether you're backing up old photos, creating space for new games, or saving videos and media files, the 2TB capacity hits a perfect balance between affordability and usability. And what really sets it apart at this price point is the included 1-year rescue data recovery service, something that most budget-friendly drives never offer. It gives you that extra layer of confidence that your data is protected even if something unexpected happens. If you want dependable storage, without overspending, this is one of the smartest and safest picks. Moving up in capacity, the next powerhouse in the lineup is the Seagate portable 5TB external hard drive. This model takes everything great about the 2TB version and multiplies it. With 5 terabytes of space, you suddenly gain enough room for massive game libraries, 4K video projects, multi-year photo archives, and even full backups of your computer. It keeps the same plug-and-play simplicity. No external power required, just one cable, and you're ready to go. The travel-friendly design means you can toss it in a backpack and take it anywhere, making it ideal for students, creators, and professionals. It also includes the same 1-year rescue data recovery service for extra security. High-capacity drives often get bulky, but Seagate manages to keep this one surprisingly compact, giving you some of the best value per terabyte on Amazon right now. If you want large storage without moving to a desktop drive, this is an absolute favorite. Next up is a drive from one of the most trusted names in the data world, the WD 6TB My Passport. This is where storage meets security. Unlike many standard drives that simply store your files, the My Passport actively protects them. It includes automatic backup software, built-in password protection, and even ransomware defense technology. These are features you rarely see in portable drives at this price point. The 6TB capacity gives you a huge amount of room for video projects, travel footage, documents, backups, and more. With USB 3.1 and USB 3.0 compatibility, it delivers fast, smooth performance across almost any system. This drive is made for people who take their data seriously: photographers, students, business owners, content creators, and anyone who wants both space and security without compromise. Now shifting over to another crowd favorite, the Western Digital WD5 TB Elements portable hard drive. This model is all about clean, simple, and reliable performance. Some people don't want extra software or extra features. They just want a drive that works instantly and keeps working for years. The WD Elements drive offers exactly that. It supports both Windows and Mac, delivers fast data transfer speeds through USB 3.2 Gen 1 and USB 3.0, and has a solid build that's known for long-term durability. The 5TB capacity gives you enough room for movies, photos, backup folders, and large project files without upgrading to desktop storage. It's a no-nonsense drive for anyone who values reliability and consistent performance in a compact form. And finally, we arrive at the true heavyweight champion, the Seagate Expansion 22 terabyte external hard drive. This is not your typical portable hard drive. This is massive desktop-class storage built for serious users. With an incredible 22 terabytes of space, this drive can store entire 4K and 8K video archives, huge photography collections, server backups, or years of raw project files. This is the kind of drive that content creators, video editors, studios, and businesses rely on for long-term storage. And despite its huge capacity, it still uses simple USB 3.0 connectivity for fast and stable transfers. You also get rescue data recovery services included, which is critical when handling large volumes of important data. If you're someone who never wants to worry about running out of space ever again, the Seagate 22 terabyte expansion drive is the ultimate long-term solution. Whether you need something small and portable, something secure and protective, or something massive and future-proof, these are the best external hard drives available right now. Each one solves a different problem: gaming storage, photo backups, professional editing, or simply safeguarding your digital life. So before your next storage warning pops up, before your PC slows down, or before your important files get scattered across devices, make the upgrade. And remember, all the latest prices and discounts are waiting in the links below. Upgrade your storage today because your data deserves better.